Let me start by paying tributes to my Karam Bhumi, the University School of Open Learning, Punjab University, which has given me a lot over the last 4 decades. I proffer my profound obeisance to the team Yuva Bharat Chandigarh, which has given me this opportunity to speak on a topic which is altogether new for me. Well, there are three keywords: Yog, Vigyan, and Kasauti. What is Yog? ज़्यादातर लोग इसे आसन प्राणायाम ही समझते हैं और कुछ इसे अष्टांग योग के फ्रेम में भी देखते हैं. एंड फॉर सम, योग इज ए वे टू एनलाइटनमेंट वाया धारणा, ध्यान एंड समाधि. कोई शक नहीं, इसी ज्ञान से हमें वेद और अनेक ग्रंथ भी मिले हैं. इसी एनलाइटन विज्ञान से हमें यूनिवर्स के अनेक रहस्यों के बारे में भी समझ आया है. गोस्वामी तुलसीदास ने सहज ही हमें बता दिया कि सूर्य और पृथ्वी के बीच में कितनी दूरी है. Interestingly, at the time when Goswami Tulsidas was devotionally scaling the distance between the sun and the earth, around the same time, one of the pioneers, modern scientists, Galileo, was testing the reach of convex lenses. Of course, the term scientist was coined much later in 1833. Nonetheless, unlike our meditative driven knowledge, the knowledge of natural philosophers or scientists was and is driven by evidences and observations, and hence errors of omission or commission were and are writ large. Only a few years back, Earth was said to be the center of the universe, and then after a few months, Sun was said to be the center. Then reference came about Milky Way, and later we were told that there are many Milky Ways. A few days back, we were told that there is something faster than the light, and recently we are told about God particle, about which references are readily available in our ancient text. Well, etymologically, Vigyan is V plus Gyan. It is diversified knowledge. As per Puran, Vigyan refers to devotionally driven true knowledge, which is more often than not beyond the comprehension of modern research methodology, which is driven by parameters like evidences, observations, and reproducibility. In turn, with its parameters, the modern science has tried to put bars on the acceptance of our devotionally driven Gyan, Vigyan. But the scene is opening up with yoga even when it is understood in its parochial form as asana and pranayam. Indeed, the popularity of yoga has increased manifold in the new millennium. Yoga has virtually emerged as a buzzword world over, particularly with Swami Ramdev making it a mass movement and Prime Minister Narendra Modi earning for it an international day celebrated worldwide. Of late, yoga has got the focus of researchers as well, and scientifically driven research reports and papers have started emerging at the global level. In fact, the number of yoga related publications in PubMed has increased exponentially over the last 2 decades. Let's peruse through a few research papers. Let's start with a review paper, Scientific Benefits of Yoga. It is based on a review of 14 papers. It lists tremendous benefits of yoga on many counts. Then another paper focuses on body weight. It is based on the effect of yoga over 90 days. Another paper is on the benefit of yoga in children. Then positive impact of yoga on uric acid has also been reported, and so also is about the brain health. Based on scientific research, Medical News Today has listed 7 benefits of yoga. Last but not the least, one cannot ignore the take on yoga by John Hopkins. Interestingly, while listing 9 benefits of yoga, John Hopkins has defined yoga as set of theories and practices with origin in ancient India. It goes on to state that yoga focuses on unifying the mind, body, and the spirit. And finally, it states yoga has spiritual roots with the main goal of helping individuals to realize true happiness, freedom, or enlightenment. It is the same enlightenment to which we have been virtually denied by Macaulay's and company. So, at this juncture, when the number of evidences are pouring in and day out about the benefits of yoga, even on the parameters of modern Vigyan, the time has come कि अब हमें मिकौले के मुन्नों से भी पूछना चाहिए, क्या आपका विज्ञान हमारे विज्ञान की गहराइयों और ऊंचाइयों को छू पा रहा है? नहीं तो इसे जानिए और ज्वाइन कीजिए, so that the quality of life could be improved on this beautiful planet Earth. Thank you very much. Thank you.